Show Wi-Fi password Android app. Recently, Roladel business identified a Wi-Fi hacking method that uses the same old tactics to show any Wi-Fi password in 3 minutes. The video is titled "How to See Your Wi-Fi Password in Your Phone," and I will share the video for you at the end. But before I share the video, I would like you to know how to crack Wi-Fi. Please note that Roladel business is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with the video I will share at the end of this one, rather to inform and educate their viewers on the channel. Only use it with your own Wi-Fi password. Don't ever use it against others, because if you do, you're responsible for the consequences of indulging in this format. Wi-Fi cracking is a process of exploiting security weaknesses in wireless networks and gaining unauthorized access. Web cracking refers to exploits on networks that use web to implement security controls. There are basically two types of cracks. 1. Active cracking. This type of attack has an increased load effect on the network traffic. It is easy to detect compared to passive cracking. It is more effective compared to passive cracking. 2. Passive cracking. This type of cracking has no effect on the network traffic until the web security has been cracked. It is difficult to detect. So now here's the video on how to show Wi-Fi password. But wait, have you subscribed to this channel? Please do if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please note that attempting to gain unauthorized access to Wi-Fi network is illegal in most jurisdictions. If you want to practice with these tools, use a Wi-Fi network that you own or one where you have the permission of the network owner. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.